Hello, this is my work. Um, Coach is an urban and joke clothing store for men and women. And what makes their clothing stand out the most is their wide variety of fashionable design and color. Mm, In the men's line, we can find jeans for the price of um, eh, 60,000. Um, Jacket for the price um, 80,000. T-shirts for the price 40,000. And shoes for the price there of 60,000. In the women's line, we can find t-shirts for the price 30,000, and blouses for the price 25,000, and jeans for the price 60,000. Mm, uh, Shoes for the price 60,000.